Hi, just to talk about what we're doing on the research in the Sonalee Laboratory. At the moment, last year we have about 3 MSc students working on mutations on different connective tissue disorders, and this year we are having 4 MSc students working as well on connective tissue disorders, including the Marfan syndrome gene. We have the students looking at, the last year they were looking at the mutations in the coding regions, which is the area that produces the protein. This year they are looking at things that are between, like in intronic regions, at the beginning of the gene, at the end of the gene, and this will benefit the patients because we are looking now everywhere that is possible to analyze, and that will benefit the patients if we found the variant in these regions.